Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Today I'll be discussing the chapter of periodic table completely. The history of classification of elements. Robin Nair arranged the elements in the increased order of atomic weight into the group of three colored traits. Example, the elements lithium, sodium, potassium. Atomic weight 7, 23, 39. What are the drawbacks? It does not hold for all elements and the properties of traits were not found to be similar. Newland. He gave the law of octets. Every 8 element as the reception of the first. He arranged the elements in the increased order of the atomic weight in the series of 8. What are the drawbacks? They are odd grouping of elements was successfully with the light metals but failed with heavy metals behind potassium. Mendel. He stated the properties of elements physical and are the period function of their atomic weight. Arranged elements in increasing order of the atomic weight with elements having similar properties repeating at regular interval. Elements were arranged in the horizontal rows called periods and vertical columns called groups. Elements in the same group had same valency and similar chemical properties. A number of gaps were left for undiscovered elements whose properties were also predicted. Incorrect atomic weights of some elements were corrected with the help of weight of the adjacent elements. What are the drawbacks? In the certain pairs of elements with the increasing order of atomic weight is not followed. The position of rare earth and actinides was not clear. The position of isotope was not considered. Mostly, the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. Elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers. They were classified them into 7 horizontal rows called periods and 18 vertical columns called groups. At a regular interval, the elements showed similar properties, which is called the periodicity in properties. The silent features of the modern periodic table. Arranged elements in increasing order of the atomic numbers. Across a period, there is a transition from metallic to non-metallic property. Each period begins with an element having one electron in its valence shell and ends with an element having completely filled valence shell. Group 1 and 2 reactive metals, group 3 and 12 transition elements, group 13 and 17 non-metals. Group 18 noble gases. Period numbers indicated number of electron shell. First period is the shortest period with only two elements. Number of electron shell remains same across the period. Groups consists of 18 vertical columns. Group number indicates the number of valence electron. The number of electron shell increases by 1 down the group. Bridge elements. Elements of the second period resemble the elements of the third period of the new group showing diagonal relationship. Position of elements and electronic configuration. Elements with similar outer electronic configuration are placed in the same group. The special feature of the periodic table. Electronegativity decreases down the group and increases across the period. Non-metallic character decreases down the group and increases across the period. Atomic radii increases down the group and decreases across the period. Ionization energy decreases down the group and increases across the period. Electron affinity decreases down the group and increases across the period. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.